Now see page number 63. You can see here Kiran and the junk seller, another junk seller, right? What is written? I have my own junk shop. I buy junk from the junk collector. They go from house to house and bring junk on the hand carts, and then I sell it in the big shop. As I told you previous, what the junk sellers are doing, they collected all the junks from home to home, right? जो छोटे junk seller रहते हैं वो घर पर जाकर they collected the junk seller, they collect the junk and afterward they sell to the junk seller, those who have shop. So now Kiran has shop, so she collect the things, and then what Kiran is doing? Kiran is sending, or Kiran is giving that junk to the big junk seller. So now here some questions regarding that. On the same page number 63, you can see there what is written there. One heading is given on page number 63. How much to pay for this junk, right? Which type of junk she is collecting? So waste paper, as I told you, newspaper, iron, brass and plastic. Brass यानी पीतल, iron यानी लोखंड, and newspaper and waste paper. So here what is written? Kind of junk. This type of junk she is collecting. ये सब जो junk है, जो ज़्यादा का एक्स्ट्रा सामान हम लोग दे देते हैं, that कौन कलेक्ट करता है? किरण कलेक्टिंग. So waste paper rupees. So waste paper rupees 4, right? If you sell 1 kg waste paper, अगर आपने 1 kg waste paper सेल किया, किरण को दिया, तो किरण will give you 4 rupees. Okay. If you sell newspaper, 1 kg newspaper आपने किरण को दिया, तो किरण will give you rupees 5 for 1 kg. What is written here? Rupees 4 and the slash is given here. ऐसे आड़ी लाइन दी हुई, that is called per kg. Okay, per. Rupees 5 per kg. If you have sell, अगर आपने किरण को आयरन दिया 1 kg, so she will give you 12 rupees. If you have given brass यानी पीतल 1 kg, then she will give you 170 rupees. And if you have given plastic 1 kg, 1 kg आपका plastic होता है, तो she will give rupees 10 to you. Okay. And this slanting line is called per. Okay. Rupees 4 per kg, rupees 5 per kg, rupees 12 per kg, rupees 170 per kg and rupees 10 per kg. From this you come to know that the brass is most costly. इसका पैसा हमको क्या आएगा? ज़्यादा आएगा. So here one question is given regarding this. This chart is on the page number 64. It is given on the page number 64. Now see one question is there on 63 page number. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper? अगर उसने 31 kg newspaper है, तो किरण कितने रुपीस पे करेगी? That one we have to find out. Here the newspaper is given. What is the cost of the newspaper for 1 kg? अगर 1 kg आप देते हो, तो she will give you, or she will get 5 rupees. So for 31 kg newspaper, how much? That one we have to find out. It is very easy to find out again. Let's write the sentences for that. Right? If 1 kg newspaper is there, 1 kg newspaper है, तो she will get rupees, or she will give rupees 5. 5 रुपये उसको मिलेंगे और वो देगी. And they are asking for the 31 kg. So what will we write? 31 kg newspaper. We have to find out. So हम इसको क्या रखेंगे यहाँ पे? Question mark. Given for the 1 kg newspaper and asking for the 31 kg newspaper. Given for the less and asking for the more. So in this type, in this condition, what we are doing? We are always doing the cross multiplication. So what will come here? 31 multiplied by 5 and divided by 1 will come. Let's do the mental calculation. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. It is right? Very easy. And when you divide any number by 1, you will get the number itself. So 155 rupees. So Kiran will get rupees 155 after selling 31 kg न्यूज़पेपर. अगर उसके पास में 31 kg न्यूज़पेपर है, तो उसको कितने रुपीस मिलेंगे? 155. एंड हियर इट इज़ गिवन फॉर द 1 kg. अगर 1 kg न्यूज़पेपर बेच रहे हो, तो आपको 5 रुपये मिलेंगे. तो 31 kg के कितने? सो वी हैव डन हियर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट द रुपीस. answer in the sentence. So here I have written answer. Kiran will pay rupees 155 for 31 kg newspaper. 31 kg newspaper के लिए she has to pay 155 rupees. This is about the page number 63. Now turn your page. See page number 64. Very first it is given. See that. What is given? How much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? This is about 31 kg newspaper. Now they are asking for the 42 kg newspaper. So again same, both same. So the second question, how much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? So we have for the 1 kg, when we Kiran has to pay rupees 5 for 1 kg. Let's see. See here it is given newspaper for 1 kg kind of junk, that is newspaper, and if she sell 1 kg newspaper she will get rupees 5. Now they are asking for the 41 kg newspaper, not 41, 42 kg newspaper. So let's write for the 1 kg newspaper first and then we will write for the 42 kg. So here I have written 1 kg newspaper, she will get 5 rupees. So for 42 kg newspaper, how much she will get? So when given for the 1 and asking for so many, at that time we are doing cross multiplication. So here I have done cross multiplication. 42 multiplied by 5, here I have written divided by this 1. Let's do mental calculation. 5 2s are 10, right? 1 carryover or 1 extra we have. Now 5 4s are 20 and 121, right? So 210 is our answer. Select right answer. So here I have written Kiran will pay rupees 210 for 42 kg newspaper. Okay, clear. Then downside another question is given. Also find out the cost of 22 kg of plastic. Now next, also find the cost of, right? You have to find the cost of plastic, waste paper and iron. It is given in your textbook. Also find out the cost of. Here it is given. I am talking about this question. Okay. So the list is already we have. What is given? 22 kg of plastic, right? You have to find out 22 kg of plastic. So for the 1 kg of plastic we have to or she has to pay rupees 10. अगर 1 kg प्लास्टिक है तो उसको 10 रुपये देने पड़ेंगे. So they are asking for the 22 kg plastic. So what will we do? Given the information is given about 1 kg plastic, that is 10 rupees, and asking for the 22 kg plastic. So given for the 1 and asking for so many. At that time what we are doing? We are doing the cross multiplication. So let's multiply 22 multiplied by 10, this cross, and this divided by 1. So mental again. So 22 multiplied by 10. So write 22 and 0 divided by 1. So our answer is 220. So for 22 kg plastic, she will pay rupees 220. So answer I will write for that here. So here is the answer. For 22 kg plastic, she has to pay rupees 220. Now let's see the B1. So B, 23 kg of waste paper, right? So for 1 kg waste paper, rupees 4. It is given in the chart. From chart I have taken. So 1 kg waste paper, for 1 kg waste paper she has to pay rupees 4. So for 23 kg waste paper, how much she has to pay? So what will we do? Cross multiplication. So let's do cross multiplication here. 23 multiplied by 4 divided by 1. Orally 4 ones are 4, 4 is 8, 4 3s are 12, 2, 1 extra carry over. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, and this one 9, that is 92 divided by 1, and the answer is rupees 92, right? So for 23 kg waste paper she will pay rupees 92. 23 kg उसको न्यूज़पेपर मिल रहा है तो उसके लिए उसको कितने पैसे पे करना पड़ेगा? 92. Let's write answer in the sentence. So here I have written for 23 kg waste paper, Kiran will pay rupees 92. Now the next C, this one also given in the textbook. What is C? 12 kg of iron, right? अगर उसको 12 kg iron मिल रहा है तो how much she has to pay? We know in the chart it is given for 1 kg iron she has to pay or she will pay rupees 170. As I said you, iron is very costly, so she has to pay rupees 170. Now she has 12 kg iron, right? We have to find out the number of we have to find out how much she will pay for 12 kg iron. So for 1 kg rupees 170. So for 12 kg how much given for the 1 kg? Information is given for the 1 kg and asking for the 12 kg. So what we have to do? We are always doing multiplication in this situation. Cross multiplication we are doing. So let's write. So here I have done 12 multiplied by 170 and divided by 1. Now let's do multiplication here. 12 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 7s are 7. 2s are 14. 4. 1 carry over. 2 ones are 2 and 1 3. Then keep 0 here. 1 zeros are 0. 1 sevens are 7. 1 ones are 1. What we are doing here? We are always doing addition. Okay, so let's do addition. 0 plus 0, that is 0, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 carry over and 2. So 2040 rupees she has to pay for 12 kg iron because iron is very costly. For 1 kg you have to pay 170. So for 12 kg we have to pay, or Kiran will pay rupees 2040 to the person. So let's write this answer in the sentence. Now see what is written. Number D, guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collector will be more than or less than 600. उसने टोटल कितने पैसे जंक कलेक्टर को दिए और वो पैसे 600 से ज़्यादा थे या कम थे. सो व्हाट थिंग शी हैज़ पे, कौन सी चीज़ें उसने खरीदी? न्यूज़पेपर, प्लास्टिक, वेस्ट पेपर एंड आयरन. ऑलरेडी वी हैव फाइंड. So the cost of 42 kg newspaper, that is already we have found, that I have written. Again the cost of 22 kg plastic हमने ये निकाल लिया है, that I have written. Then cost of 23 kg waste paper, that is rupees 92, and the cost of 12 kg iron, that is 2040. So after adding all this I have got the answer 2507. So the question is it more than 600? So I have written Kiran will pay rupees 2507, right? उसने कितने पैसे जंक कलेक्टर को दिए? 2507, which is more than rupees 600, जो 600 से ज़्यादा है. So this is about Kiran and the junk seller or the junk collector. Okay.